Best comparison. Slide hammers are indispensable tools for automotive repairs, particularly for tasks like pulling dents, removing bearings, seals, and other press-fit components. Their versatility makes them a valuable addition to any mechanic's toolkit. In this article, we've rigorously tested and compared 5. List number. The Orion MotorTech 9-way slide hammer puller set is a versatile tool designed for a wide range of pulling applications, from rear axle shafts to front-wheel drive hubs and press-fit parts. Its 5-pound slide hammer and multiple jaw configurations make it suitable for both internal and external pulling tasks. The inclusion of a dent puller attachment and grip wrench adapter adds to its functionality, making it ideal for automotive and bodywork projects. The heavy-duty organizer case ensures that all 15 components are stored securely, extending their lifespan. In testing, the Orion MotorTech 9-way slide hammer excelled in versatility and durability. The carbon steel alloy and chrome vanadium steel components stood up to heavy use without showing signs of wear or rust. Its adaptability for various tasks, including dent pulling and bearing removal, makes it a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. However, its weight of 17 pounds may be cumbersome for extended use, and the instructions could be clearer for first-time users. List number. The Extreme Power US 13 pounds dent puller slide hammer is a premium option designed for heavy-duty automotive dent removal. With a robust 13-pound slide hammer, this kit is tailored for tackling stubborn dents and extensive bodywork repairs. The included carrying case ensures portability and organized storage for its various components, making it a convenient choice for professionals working in auto body repair. During testing, the Extreme Power US slide hammer demonstrated exceptional pulling power, making it ideal for large, stubborn dents. The heavier slide hammer requires less effort to achieve results, but its weight may be a drawback for users who need precision in smaller tasks. While the tool is effective for its intended purpose, the lack of versatility compared to other models limits its application to primarily bodywork tasks. List 3. The Orion MotorTech Rear Axle Bearing Puller Toolkit is a budget-friendly option that focuses on rear axle repairs. With an 8-piece set, including a 2.5-pound slide hammer, yoke, and adapters, this kit is designed for removing bearings, seals, and axles on most domestic cars and light trucks. Its medium carbon steel construction ensures durability, while the chrome plating and galvanized components enhance rust resistance. This toolkit performed reliably in rear axle repairs during testing. The included adapters cover a wide range of inner diameters, making it suitable for various vehicles. However, the lighter slide hammer requires more effort for stubborn parts, and the kit lacks versatility for tasks outside axle and bearing removal. It's a solid choice for budget-conscious users focused on axle repairs. List 4. The Astro Pneumatic Tool 78415 combines a locking pliers mechanism with a 2.5-pound slide hammer, offering a unique approach to pulling tasks. Its serrated teeth are designed for gripping various surfaces, and the tool threads into most mid to large locking pliers for added compatibility. This compact tool is ideal for users who already own locking pliers and need a slide hammer attachment. This model excelled in precision tasks during testing, particularly for pulling nails, pins, and small components. Its ergonomic grip and lightweight design make it easy to handle, though its smaller slide hammer limits its effectiveness for heavy-duty applications. The lack of included components means users must rely on their existing tools, which may not suit beginners or those seeking a complete set. List 5. The Orion MotorTech Vice Grip Slide Hammer combines a 9.8-inch locking pliers with a 2-pound slide hammer for versatile pulling tasks. Its quick-release swivel connector enhances maneuverability, while the serrated teeth provide a firm grip on smooth surfaces. The durable Q345 and CRV steel construction ensures long-term reliability, making it suitable for automotive and mechanical repairs. This tool performed well in both automotive and general mechanical applications during testing. The quick-release joint simplifies attaching and detaching, and the locking pliers are user-friendly for one-handed operation. However, the 2-pound slide hammer may struggle with heavier components, and its smaller size limits its suitability for larger tasks. It's a good choice for light-duty work and tight spaces.